we are out here at Silver Springs Forest Conservation Area, finishing up some hardwood planting on a site that we've been prepping for the last couple of months, getting ready to replace an old loblolly plantation with a suite of hardwood species like live oak and magnolia, laurel oak. We got some swamp chestnut oak. It's going to give us some great forage for wildlife. And the plan is basically to restore this to a mesic hardwood hammock forest that might have been traditionally out here in the past. We certainly have the wildlife benefits. I mean, hardwoods are great for producing forage for animals like deer and turkey. For all the people coming out here to enjoy the wildlife, they'll certainly be happy getting to see that. And then also we're really just trying to get back to native communities. This is kind of a new area we can get into to expand how we're tackling those core missions for the district. You know, obviously we're always focusing on water quality and water filtration, and the big one for us is the natural communities, and that's what we're really trying to target here. You know, get a little bit of diversity on the landscape and get some of the hardwood species that are great for birds, and also just, you know, carbon sequestration and water filtration and, you know, all those ecosystem services that the community enjoys from these properties.